And good evening, my name is Anne-Britt, and today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Salicylic Acid 2% mask from the Ordinary. We're going to go through the precautions, we're going to demonstrate how you use it and talk about the aftercare and contraindications. So if you've never been here before, welcome. If you have, welcome again. And basically, I hate long intros. Anything you need to know about me is in the About section. Basically, I've been 30 years in the beauty spa industry. I'm an esthetician, holistic beauty therapist. Terminology is different depending on the country. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, before I show you a full demo on how to use this on your face, let's first of all quickly talk about the precautions and the contraindications. So first of all, precautions is very similar to the chemical peel. We apply it on a clean, dry face. Your face cannot be wet in any shape or form. We avoid the eye contour area. It's important to patch test as with any active ingredients, and you do this either on your forearm here or behind the ear you can do, and you do it for 3 days. Just apply a small amount of mask, leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off. Watch how your skin reacts. If obviously it comes up in hives and blistering and inflammation, do not use it. And the other thing, you must use it at night time preferably, because it makes your skin photosensitive, so it's important to use sunscreen the next day and onwards. Now, contraindications. Okay, we cannot use this on peeling, hyperreactive, very sensitive skin, compromised skin. You do not use. So with that being covered, let's get into the video and let me show you how I use this mask. And voila, we've changed location. So first of all guys, let me explain who is this mask actually for and the ingredients, and then I'm going to show you how to put it on. So basically the ingredients, first of all, let's explain that. So there's 2% salicylic acid, which we know exfoliates the skin. It's a beta hydroxy, very good to get deep into the pores, deep in to get all that gunk out, and it unclogs the pores. So it's good for blackheads, acne, milia, open pores, congestion in the skin. We also have clay, kaolin, and charcoal, and that's deep cleansing, and that's what's is going to dry down is because of the clay. And then we have squalane, which is similar to our own skin. It controls the oil, and it softens the skin, and it's non-comedogenic. That's the ingredients out the way. To smooth and clear the skin, your skin's going to feel really clean and clarified and refreshed after this. It's a fantastic mask for decongestion, let me tell you. I know, I've been using it. Okay. So it's also going to exfoliate the skin because, BHA is an exfoliant. And people with oily skin are really going to love this because it controls the oil and it sucks up the oil out of the skin. So where was this 20 years ago for me, right? Basically, I can use this, not like a once a week thing, no, definitely not. Not until it's the summertime when it's very humid. That's the only reason why I could use this, because I have more mature skin, because my skin still gets sebaceous cysts with the humidity, and I get a lot of congestion around the jaw area, around here, and sometimes on my cheeks too. Humidity is fantastic for anti-aging, keeps you more youthful for longer, but on the other hand, when your skin needs to heal, it takes forever. Okay, without further ado, let me show you how we use this. So I'm going to apply the same as I did the peel around my jaw area first. So as you can see, it's like a paste texture. And you can feel a tiny little bit of grittiness there with the exfoliant, not much, but we're going to keep this on for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to show you. You've got to be careful you don't get it in the eye area, obviously. putting it on and taking it off. So I'm going to show you an easier way to take it off, because trust me, if you just rinse the face, it'll take you forever. So it's better to like dampen a face cloth. Anyway, I'll show you when we get to it. So as you can see, my craters up there, my open pores. So I know by experience, for me having a bit of congestion, I'm referring to myself because I mean, it's how best I can explain to you, but meaning on a more mature skin with congestion, right? But I've actually been using this on my son, who is at that age. He's 19, so hormonal breakouts, and it's been fantastic for his skin. Absolutely amazing results. So as long as this is used correctly, just the same as the peel, it's brilliant results. I'm just going to put a bit more on my forehead here. Okay, so I'm going to have to come back. Of course, I quickly have to do a thumbnail while this is on. So excuse me, and I'll be back soon when we do the removal. And voila, we're all dry, we can hardly talk, and it's 10 minutes later, and I managed to do a thumbnail in between. Excusez-moi. So, I would say what you should do is dampen a face cloth with lukewarm water. You're going to see why in a second, right? Because you cannot get this in your eyes or near your eyes. So you know what it's like with clay masks. They're great at decongesting the skin and getting all that gunk out your pores, but you know, they're a bit of a nightmare to take off. So if you do this first and then make sure you rinse your face well again, to get the rest of it off, it's a million times easier. Because if you just try and rinse this off just under the, you know, the sink with the water, you'll be there forever. So makes it a lot quicker and a lot easier. Okay, so the skin is feeling super smooth, super clean. And I'm going to rinse the rest of this off and be right back. And voila, just like that, I'm back. Oh my god, my skin feels amazing. Super clean. Oh, so soft and nice. But let's talk about aftercare, okay? So, first of all, what's the conflicts? Meaning, what's the other ingredients that it doesn't agree with? As with the chemical peel, same situation, okay? So, copper, peptides, EUK 134, niacinamide powder, hopefully Google, because I know it doesn't recognise Scottish accents sometimes, hopefully they get that right. Alternate use with your other direct acids and your pure ethanoated vitamin C and retinoids. So basically the same as the chemical peel. Keep it simple, okay? If you go on, I'll put the link in the description, Esthetician website. When you look on it, you can go into the category of the skincare and it tells you the conflicts, right? So this is under direct acids, so you cannot use them that I have just said, and I will write it up on the screen because Google Translate doesn't like us, we Scottish folk, sometimes in translating. So this is $12. It is actually one of the more expensive products from the Ordinary, but it is so worth it. I love it, I love it, I love it. And it's a 30ml size, okay? So the next video that I will be doing will be the glycolic acid 7% solution. We might as well start with all the direct acids. So until next time, please make sure you like and subscribe. Come on now guys, step it up, and I'll see you next time. Okay, adios and have a great evening. Bye.